Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find MTCN number on Western Union. There are two different ways you can view and find your MTCN number on Western Union. The first method is by using your receipt or email confirmation. If you've made a transfer online or on the Western Union app, the MTCN will be on your online receipt and the confirmation email you'll receive. You can also find your MTCN number by logging into your Western Union profile. Open up a web browser of your preference to get started. Now type in westernunion.com and press enter on your keyboard to find yourself in the official site for Western Union. After you get to this main home page, go to the top right corner and click on the login button. Enter your email address and then your password in the correct text boxes and click continue to login. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top right hand corner of the screen. Now select history from the tab, and after you get to your money transfer history, if you don't have any activities yet, you will be able to see this interface. But if you've already made a transaction on Western Union, the MTCN should be listed there for each transfer you've made. That is how you will be able to find your MTCN on Western Union in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.